Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s b over s plus number 3. And now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 3. So capital A multiplied by s plus number 3. About this one, it is missing about s. So capital B multiplied by s. Next, we need to expand this one. Now we can do about factorization by s. So we have number 3. That means 3/8 equals to number 3. Because we don't have s, so a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So 8 equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1. And I will put 8 and b go in here. So 8 equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.